Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to change the default terminal directory in VS Code. It's really simple. So all you have to do is actually open up your VS Code and then go to VS Code menu in the top bar, and then you'll have to select default profile. So once you've done that using the Visual Code Studio, you will have to go to the terminal, new terminal, and locate the terminal in the type and the new right side in the terminal. So it's going to be right here. Then you have to select default profile and then click the downward arrow basically, and then click and sign in, and then select the default profile from the menu. And then once you have done that, in the top screen you will see the list of default terminals that are available for you to use. So when you have one, click that, and then you will have to show the options, and it says command prompt basically in the terminal panel. You can click the trash logo so that you will close the current terminal, and then next time you open the terminal panel, it will be the type of the command prompt that you have entered basically. And it's just that simple to change your default terminal directory in VS Code. And if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.